Hello, guys, and welcome again to this edition of Learning with Rich. So, in this topic, we are going to continue our discussion about our Revit Architecture Certified Professional Examination preparation. Okay. So in this topic, what we are going to discuss this time is on importing drawing and images files. Okay. From our previous exercises, what we did is we discussed copying and monitoring elements. And we also have discussed work sharing. All right. So this time, another topic that will show on your examination definitely is importing drawing and image files. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm going to open the exercise file there, importing this one. So for this exercise, I'm going to teach you how to import a CAD file. Okay, so there are actually multiple ways in inserting your CAD file inside your project. Okay, so you can use importing and you can also use linking. Okay, so if you have existing designs created using other CAD software, you can actually import or link them in our Revit model to use as a starting point for our design. Okay, so in addition to using the import CAD and link CAD tools, so you can also import CAD files using drag and drop from Windows Explorer into your model, drafting or sheet view of Revit. Okay, so that is what we are going to do right now. So I'm going to show you how to import, as well as I'm going to show you how to link a CAD file in your project. Okay, so by the way, if you go to the Insert tab, here you can see Import CAD. The other one is Link CAD. Okay, so what is the difference? So if you import the file, this one, if you import the file, you can explode the nested XREF to Revit elements. However, if the XREF file is updated after the import, Revit will not automatically reflect changes to the XREF file. Okay, so that is what will gonna happen. So the other one is LinkCAD. So if you link the file, Revit automatically updates the geometry to reflect the changes to the XREF files. However, you cannot explode the nested XREFs to Revit elements. So that's the difference. So if it is import, once you import your CAD file, you can actually explode that and then modify it here on your Revit. But you cannot update that. Okay. So if the XREF file is updated after you import, you will not be able to automatically reflect the changes. Okay, but on your link, Revit automatically updates the geometry, but you will not be able to explode your link CAD file. Okay, so basically that is what will gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do here is let me just go ahead and create a drawing here. So insert, so import CAD, importing. Okay, so I'll try to import this one. So I think it would be better if I'll just create a drafting view. So from the view tab, I'm going to select drafting view. This is the name. I'll just select OK. This is the drafting view. And then from the insert, I'm going to select import CAD and then importing CAD. This one, this is my exercise. How about I'm going to select manual origin and then open. So I'm going to place it here. There you go. And then this is import. So if I select the imported CAD file, as you can see, you can actually explode that. Okay, you can explode it, partial explode. The other one is full explode. Okay. Now, if the AutoCAD drawing, the XREF file update in AutoCAD, the Revit will not be able to automatically update it here. Okay. The other one is link. So this is another way of inserting your CAD file in your project. So I select the link. I select the drawing, manual origin, open. So I'll just put it here. Okay. Say It seems like they don't have any difference at all, but if you're going to select your link model, as you can see, there's no option here for you to be able to explode it. Okay, so explode is only available if your CAD drawing is imported. Okay, if it is link, you will not be able to explode that, but Revit automatically updates the geometry to reflect the changes to the XREF file. So if you change the original drawing in your AutoCAD and then you update it here in Revit, okay, it will automatically update. So you'll be able to see the changes. But since we are on a drafting view, okay, even you will not be able to update this one. Okay, update is only available if you're on the floor plan, 3D view, or section elevation view. But if you are on the drafting view, you will not be able to update this one. As you can see, there's no link here. Although you already linked this one, but it doesn't detect it because it's inside the drafting view. Okay, anyway, basically that's how you import an AutoCAD drawing into your Revit project. So you have two ways. Okay, you can import it. The other one is you can link it. Okay, so basically, if I'm using my CAD file as a guide, I just import it. I just link that one so that the file size will not be too large file. Okay, so it would be better if you just link it. Okay, but if you're going to use your CAD file as a detail view, so sometimes I prefer using imported CAD file. Okay, because I'll be able to explode this one. I can explode and then I'll be able to modify the drawing here. Okay, so that's the way of inserting your drawing inside your CAD file. So another question that can come into your examination is how to insert an image file. Okay, image. So from the insert tab, import panel, there's an image there. So if you click that one, all right, so you just need to look for the image that you want to insert inside your project. Okay, because there is this type of question in the examination where it asks you to insert an image into your drawing. But it's not that difficult, okay? As long as you know where is the tool located at, okay, you should be okay. All right, so insert image can be found in the import. You can see there image. Okay, so if you want to insert an raster image into your project. Okay, the other option here to insert an image is by using decal. Okay, so let's say for example, as you can see the image there, you can insert an image to a surface. Okay, you can insert an image to a surface into your 3D model. So again, there's this type of question in the examination wherein it asks you to insert or place a decal in your project. So in case you encounter that, this is the location of that tool. Okay, remember this one. So there's the insert image, the other one is decal. Okay, and of course the import CAD and then the link CAD. Okay, because definitely this will be appearing on the examination. Okay, so how to import your drawing, how to insert an image file, it will come out on your drawing, on your examination. So just remember these things. So the image, the decal, okay, if you click that one, okay, decal, okay, so you need to create a decal here. You just click that one and then you specify the name. This is your decal. And then after that, you need to look for the source. It's not that difficult. Okay, you just need to look for the source. You click that. You just need to look for your image that you want to be placed on your model. All right. Okay, sounds cool. All right. So basically, that is the importing drawing and images file in your project. So it's part of the collaboration topic. So just make sure you remember these tools. Again, image, decal, link CAD, and import CAD. Okay, so there you go. That is our topic for this importing drawing and images file. So hopefully you have learned something from this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.